All right. Hey, what are you doing? Okay, come here. Come here. Cereal. Yum, yum. Good morning. Breakfast for champions. Huh. And that's your breakfast?
Yeah.
Cool. Ice cream.
Ice cream in my breakfast.
Alright, what's up? What's up, y'all? Just starting off our day bright and early. And just feeding my son some cerealos.
Coconut cereal.
The Cocoa Puffs. But it's the cheap version. Because the cheap version's got more and it's cheap. Alright. Are we live? Are we live? Are we live? Are we live? Man, this is actually the longest my hair has grown to become a man. No, I was just playing. But, whoa! I'm actually trying to grow it out as long as I can. And the reason being, here. Alright, there we go. Something's jacked up with my phone, man. Every time I record, freaking, it always freezes up on me. If you guys got an iPhone, let me know, man. Let me know if it does the same thing to you as it does to me. I'm also trying to grow up my my beard as long as I can. But you know what? I think this is honestly the longest it'll grow, because this is exactly the length it was about a month ago. Not even that, like 2 months ago. And I think it's just stuck at this length. But my hair is really thin because I'm getting old. I'm like an old man right now. Oh yeah? Anyways, we have a lot of things to do today, such as, you know, staying home, cleaning up the house, and staying home and playing video games, taking care of my kids, changing diapers. Oh my goodness, there's a lot to do. But yeah.